Number 4, which I really love to talk about. This point, I love to talk about it because it's very important. Many people have actually made these mistakes in the journey in the online space, and it has literally nosedived their success and made their pace really slow. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To all new subscribers, I want to say thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'm super excited to have you in my community. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video, and also give this video a thumbs up. And to my returning subscribers, wow, you guys are the real MVP. I'm super excited that you're back. Thank you for coming back. My name is Mary Joy. I'm an online entrepreneur and I'm also a content creator. As you all know, this channel is everything about making money online and being financially independent in 2022. As you must have seen in the topic of this video, it says 7 costly mistakes you should avoid when trying to make money online. I know there are several opportunities to make money online, but even at that, some persons, many people actually have not been able to do so because there are some mistakes they are making, and that is why I want you to know about those mistakes so that you can avoid it for yourself completely. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Number 1, lacking necessary skills. One thing about making money is that money is a medium of exchange. You need to give something to get money in return. You have to be offering your service in order to be paid. So you ask yourself, what kind of service do you have to offer? What are the skills that you have? If you don't have a skill, it might be hard for you to make money online because no matter what you're trying to make money from, you need to render a service. Is it transcribing, proofreading, writing content, and video editing? So many things. You need to have a skill that you are offering. So if you lack the necessary skills that is required for you to be able to make money on the online space, then it might be difficult for you to do that. So one thing I want you to understand, the first and very important thing you should know is that you need to have necessary skills that you want to leverage, those things you want to leverage on the online space. Make sure you know, what does it entail? What do I need to do in order for me to be able to work in this kind of space? Number 2, choosing the wrong niche. Like, I know you already have a skill. I know you are a video editor. I know you are a graphics designer. But even at that, you have to choose a niche. A niche is like a specialized area. Like a graphics designer, you have logo design, you have product design, and the rest. So you have to understand your niche, understand what it entails, understand the earning potential of your niche. One thing about rendering service and making money online is that once you have a niche that solves a lot of problems, then your chances of making money in that niche is very high because there are a lot of people with that problem, so you can be able to serve a lot of people. Even at that, you should make sure that you don't even go for niches that are oversaturated and niches that are undersaturated. You need to understand that making money, you're solving a problem. You're solving a problem with the skill that you are rendering. Like we talked about in number 1 point, you need to have the necessary skills. So right now, you're solving a problem with the skills that you have. So if there are not many people who are going through that problem, you might not make a lot of money from it. So you need to choose a niche that has great and high earning potentials and that you can solve a lot of problems. Number 3, having unrealistic expectations. Yeah, you heard that right. So you want to make money online, but you want to start making 1 million in 10 days or even 7 days. It's not like it's not possible, but ask yourself, how realistic is this? That was why I said choosing the right niche. If you are in the wrong niche and you're setting expectations that are unrealistic to that niche, you might get frustrated. Do you understand? So knowing the right niche to choose will help you now set the right goals. As somebody who's starting up in the online space, you need to understand that there are principles, there are things that you need to do. If you're looking to build a business in the online space, you need to avoid these kind of mistakes because they would draw you back. And at the end, that's why you see people get frustrated and say, oh, I cannot do it, I cannot achieve it, because there are several things that they overlook. and you're supposed to pay attention to that. So don't set unrealistic expectations. I know you want to make money, but understand what you're doing. You can't be doing a freelance job that pays you, let's say, like a post, or you need to comment on a video. There are jobs like that on the online space. Just know that those kind of jobs won't give you the kind of money that you want, but at least they will help you have money, at least be able to afford basic life necessities. So in that kind of job, you can't now start setting expectations that, oh, I want to make $1,000 in a month, or I want to make a 500K in a month. I'm not saying it's not possible, but just know what you're doing and be sure you're not setting unrealistic expectations for yourself. If you're enjoying what I'm sharing in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment in the comment section telling me that you enjoy the video. Also, do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video. Number 4, which I really love to talk about. This point, I love to talk about it because it's very important. Many people have actually made these mistakes in the journey in the online space, and it has literally nosedived their success and made their pace really slow. So, and this is lack of focus. There are so many things on the online space now that if you're not careful, you get wrapped up in too many things, and at the end of the day, you're not even productive in even one of them. So you need to be able to remove your distractions. Be focused. What do you want to do? What do you want to achieve? What are your expectations? Work towards it. You will definitely find distractions. You will definitely find them. They are always there. So many people are saying different things at the same time, but you right now need to understand, what do I want? You have to focus. I cannot overemphasize on this point because it is very important. The energy that you will put into doing 5 different things and really achieving nothing, basically, once you can channel that energy into doing one single task, you succeed at it, then you can move on to the next task. Once you start something and you can see that it is yielding results, you can build a system around it such that even when you're not actively there, it is moving. You set up strategies, you set up autoresponders that can help you run that part of your business. Then you can now focus on something else. But when you're focusing on so many things, you see somebody saying about this, you jump on it. Oh, affiliate marketing is the next thing, you jump on it. Oh, e-commerce is the next thing, you jump on it. And you are not even in one place. If someone asks you, what have you achieved? You cannot say you've achieved anything because you are literally everywhere. Please and please stop every of your distraction and be completely focused. It is very important in 10xing your income in the online space. Number 5, no uniqueness. We have over 8 billion people on the planet Earth, but I tell you, every one of us, we are different. We are unique in our own way. If I try to start copying somebody else, you would know, because it would be it won't come freely with me. It would not even blend with the kind of person that I am, and people will always see that, especially for aspiring online entrepreneurs that are looking to build a business in the online space. You need to be unique. You need to build your personal brand. You can have people that you follow, people that are mentors to you, but even at the same time, make sure that you're unique. Make sure that your content are unique to you. When you want to write a content on social media, you can go online, you get so many ideas. But when you're not trying to draft out something based on your knowledge and understanding, make sure it's coming from you, from within. Your prospects, your followers, they can see if you're not unique. They can literally feel it from your content. So in whatever thing you do, please make sure that you're unique. You can have mentors, you can have people that you look up to. I do when I started, and I still do right now. I have people that I look up to, people that I admire their work, and I really love to get to where they are someday. But even at that, I don't copy them. I don't copy what they do. If I like what they did, I would look for a way to model it to suit my brand, to suit the kind of person that I am. Like I said, we all are not the same. 8 billion people on the planet. We are all different. We are all unique in our own way. So find that uniqueness of yours because you will need it in your journey. Number 6, forgetting to optimize. You want to be seen. You want people to see you. You want people to know you. You want people to be able to associate a particular type of skill. If you're a freelancer, you want people to know you as a freelancer. If you are a video editor, you want people to know you as a video editor. If on your profile or on your website or your blog post, there is nothing attaching you to what you do, then you're really missing out. You're leaving a lot of money on the table, and you don't want to do that. So ensure that you boldly spell out what you're doing on your profile page. Let people literally think of a web designer and think of you. Let people think of a copywriter and think of you. Those are looking to build a business on the online space. Make sure you optimize your social media handles and also have a system for yourself. Automate your systems. You don't have to be there every single time to respond to people's messages. You can automate your system such a way that when they see your post, there is a link that they can go to where you will take them to a particular page, take them to another page. Then if they eventually need to talk to you one-on-one, then it will be after that, after they've gone through all those processes. It will help you to be more productive. But if you don't streamline those processes, you literally like be doing different kind of things almost at the same time. And you might not get productive like that. Number 7, like we're talking about 7 mistakes, and we are now down to the number 7 of those mistakes. And it is thinking about what you want to do, thinking about it too much. Like, just take action. Just do it. You don't have to like analyze, this is how I want it to go. Just take action. Just do it. Stop overthinking it. Be ready to like fail. Be ready to try something, fail at it, move to the next one. Like that, you get better. But the moment you have an idea, you have something you want to do, but you sit down and keep thinking, you might literally not even start. So the moment you have an idea that you know that, okay, this idea is workable, start. You don't need to have everything figured out. Start. As you go along the line, you make mistakes. You learn from your mistakes and you become better. You become better. Many of the successful people you see out there, many of them have actually like tried so many things. They failed at it before they eventually became successful. So stop overthinking what you want to do. Stop overthinking it. You're leaving tons of money on the table. So take action. I'm talking to somebody today. I know you want to start that business, you want to register that business, you want to start taking jobs online, but you are scared that, oh, what if I'm not good enough? Please don't let that stop you. Don't let that stop you. You are good enough. You have everything it takes to succeed. All you need to do is to just take action. Stop overthinking it. Take action today. I am telling you, you will not regret that you did so. And I'm sure you're going to come back to tell me that, yeah, I did it and it was good. So we have come to the end of this video, but before I go, I would also like to talk about something that is very, very important. As much as you want to make money in the online space, you need to understand that these things work with principles. So you also need to be very patient. You need to be patient. Don't give up too quickly. Some person starts and like after 1 month, they are tired and they say, oh, this thing doesn't work. If you have a physical store and you go to your store for 1 month, even though you don't have customers, you will keep going, because like that, you are showing people that this is what you do. They are getting to know you, and the day that it will pay off, I hope you are still there for them to see you. By the time you decide to quit, what if that's the time people now remember and there is now a need for them as regards to what you sell? But they come to your store, they don't find you. All those months of waiting just wasted. So just keep at it. Be patient. Your time is going to come. You will make your own first 1 million naira. You would. It's very, very possible. Just ensure that you're patient, you're learning, you are implementing. And I'm telling you, nothing can stop you. You can succeed. People are succeeding. You're not different. And in this channel, we are all winners. We are winners on this channel. So go for it. Don't let anything limit you. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so it will reach several other people who will also need to hear stuff like this. Also, drop a comment in the comment section below telling me you love the video and you love me to even do more. You can also drop any video that you want me to talk about, any topic, and I'm also going to talk about it in my next video, or I'll create a video that solely talks about that problem. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell, and get notified whenever I drop a video. Subscription is free. You just need to click on the subscribe button right now. Let me give you 2 seconds to do that. 2 seconds. Yeah. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.